everyone! So I recently fell down a rabbit hole of wooden cutouts and flower doodles. Here we are. These are my wooden cutouts already prepped with some juicy acrylic base colors. Yes, I did the boring part off camera. You're welcome. Just a heads up, my inner child is very much in charge today. Alright, let's get some flowers. Nothing fancy, just letting the pencil dance around like it knows what it's doing. The purple one, we are going full flower fiesta. I'm using white for the petals and a touch of mustard yellow for the center because obviously that's what fancy flowers wear. A thin brush, a steady hand, and boom, she's blooming. Ta-da! Look at that one stylish flower earring ready to make heads 10. Now on the next one. Somewhere in between, my inner child decided to take over for a moment. You will see what I mean. Just ignore her. She gets excited when paint and camera are in the same room. For the petals, I'm going with a baby pink shade because this flower clearly lives in a rom comb. And there we go, another one done and looking fabulous. Stay tuned, I will be wearing all the earrings and you will also get to see a few new designs on me. Went a bit wild off camera and painted a few more. I mean, how could I not? They are too cute. Thank you so much for hanging out with me in this mini earring adventure. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share and hit subscribe. See you in the next artsy story. Bye bye. Oops, I forgot to mention. Please comment below which earring you like the most. I would really love to know your favorite.